I want to show you what you can do with this page using Qilio, a brand new all-in-one Facebook marketing and analytics suite. So over here in Qilio, you can see that I can choose any fan page that I own on my account. I'm going to choose the how-to stuff. And I can post 3 types of updates: content, images, and videos. So what I can do is I can schedule updates to this fan page directly inside Qilio. I can either type it into the box that you can see on the screen right now. I can use one of the status ideas from within Qilio. I can also search for content. I can use the templates that are attached down below under post templates, as you can see. Or I can use the built-in RSS feeds grabber on the right hand side to grab fresh content right off the home pages of the most popular websites out there. So first I want to show you the status ideas. Alright, these are status ideas that are preloaded into the software. This is the first category, called Facebook Status Collection. Alright, we have a couple of more. There's fill in the blank. Looks like this. There's also question and answers type, which looks like this. Pick any, fill out your blank, and you're good to go. Alright, you can also search for content, as I mentioned earlier. We're going to search blogs, and we're going to type in do it yourself and click search. You can also run regular search results, but let's see what we come up with here. Alright, let's say that I want to select this one. blogs.law.harvard.edu seems like a legit source. I don't feel like a lot of other fan pages out there will be sharing it. So I can adjust the way my post is going to look and choose whether I want to post it now or post it later. Alright, let's go ahead and delete this for now. I want to show you what the post template functionality looks like. See how up there the post has just updated with a template? How about if we scroll down and click the announce blog post? How about that one? Let me clear out my status box over here. Alright, so here we have special deal post, for example. I'm going to go ahead and click clear post, testimonial style promo, Q&A style promo, any sort of promos that you want to run through your page you can. Now on the right hand side here, as I said, we have RSS feeds. You can add a custom feed to any of the fan pages that you run. Simply add a title. This is for your internal purposes only. And then down below under feed URL, type in the exact URL to the RSS feed, and it will get added to the list. Now, if you don't know of any URLs for feeds out there, we have a content library for you. Alright, click on Trend. There's Trend Hunter, for example. That's just one of the many RSS feeds that we've prepared for you under our own library. Alright, you can browse the pages, preview any of the articles, and select whichever one you like. Here's Design Boom. This one has a lot also. I know that the next one's not going to have a lot. Polkadot. Yeah, this one only has one result. So you can browse around and see what the options are. We also have Hot Trends. This is what people are talking about right now. It's March 28th while I'm recording the video, and these are the things that are trending. We can also select top headlines, and we can customize these based on our own custom keywords. And I'll show you how to do that in just a second. Here we can load more headlines if we want. Alright, suppose we want to preview what a headline looks like. DIY Cyclops. That sounds cool. Let's check it out. Okay, there's a short article and a video. Let's go ahead and post this one. We simply click the button. The link posts under attach URL by itself. We type in a captivating status, and we're ready to rock and roll. We can simply click post now. Click on Post to Fan Page, and we can go ahead and click here to view the post right away. Alright, 2 seconds ago. Great. Posts instantly or with a time delay, as you wish. It really is down to how you set it up. Now, remember you saw DIY under the headlines? Well, this is where it comes from. This is how we found that Cyclops article. We typed in the keyword, which we can change, and we also typed in the hashtag, which we can change as well. if we click Save and go back to the main tab, you'll see the articles update instantly. Isn't that cool? Of the ones that we added earlier, notice how the icons loaded automatically. Here, there's an article that I like. Let's see what happens when I click on View. Okay, we see the title, Media Startups, short on diversity. Let's click Select. Look at what happens. Here we're going to have all of our thumbnails preload automatically. Alright, I can select whichever one I like, but if I don't like any one of those, I can click Upload Image and select my own. Simply click Post, and you upload the exact thumbnail that you've chosen. In addition, Qilio literally pulls the top headlines off the hottest websites out there using your custom keywords. No other software out there does this for you folks. Alright? So let's go ahead and show you how to use the image editor. This is another component of Qilio. Here you can choose any sort of custom background, even upload your own, but of course we have a nice little library here at your disposal. Here we also have some quotes as well. I actually want to show you how to use the quotes. So if you don't like any of the background patterns, you can create instant viral images just like this. Simply put in your text and you're ready to rock and roll. There's also a library of images on the right. Here's one of a clock. You can also crop everything and insert it just like you want. So it is multi-layered. It's very easy to edit. You can add multiple images. You can add unlimited images to this thing, alright? And it will not lag. You can simply switch between the various images, click and drag and drop, upload your own image, use a background image, use a object such as this. Okay? You can do a lot of really cool stuff with this image editor. On the right hand side, you'll notice that there's a public domains image folder. You can choose images from over there, or you can attach images from a URL. It's very, very easy to use. What you see is what you get on the screen right here, and as soon as you hit post, you're going to be ready. Alright? There's even a grid for professional developers that I just showed you. So if you know your stuff with design, you're gonna really love this little component here. Alright, you can see we have all sorts of images in the public library. They're pretty random. They're supposed to help you come up with ideas or help you finish whatever ideas you have. If you have a specific thing in mind, you can choose one of two sources to search for images. For example, the one I'm looking at right now inspired me to look up a sunset. So here are some other ones that I can use if the one that I've chosen right here doesn't work for me. Alright? I can go ahead and clear off everything from the image at any point to start over, but for the sake of time, let's show you how to post a video. Alright? We can also type in a status update, but instead of a picture or a link, we can attach a video. Now, you might be wondering, how in the world did I come up with all of these basketball images over here? And the answer is pretty simple. It's all based on keywords. Just like we use keywords and hashtags to come up with content, we can specify our own YouTube channel for our fan page. Alright? Simply click Save Settings anytime you change it, and you'll be good to go. So that's the main component. I've already showed you what keywords and hashtags are. Here's how to look up what posts you have scheduled. Alright? Let's see what posts I have scheduled between tomorrow and April 28th. Alright, looks like I have about 7 over here. I can see when they were created and scheduled. I can also change the date when they were scheduled. For example, from the 31st to the 30th. It updates instantly, and if I want to get a quick snapshot of what I have coming up, I can just export it. Now I'm going to show you the analytics module. Simply choose your fan page. Choose the dates. For example, let's go 2 months back here. Click Search. And it will download really quickly all of your user metrics. Engagement, impressions, stories, negative feedbacks. Everything is right here. And it even calculates the engagement percentage for you, which is fabulous. We can click Color Indicators over here, and it will give you an easy color-coded graph of green means good, red means bad, and white means neutral. You can also sort out different types of posts, and you can also sort by top viewed posts, top liked posts, top shared posts, top negative feedback posts, engagement percentage, etc. You can export it, look at it very easily in one screen, And that's about it, folks. I've already shown you what's up in the settings. That's the videos that load up on the right there. So there you have it. You can upload anything to any Facebook fan page and measure how successful it is right away. That's the power of Qilio, folks.